Hi guys, it's Manvi and welcome back to Manvi the Queen. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some snow clips. So earlier this week we had a snowstorm, and so it snowed throughout the whole day. And so I'm just going to be showing you guys some clips. And so that this is our house, and look how much it snowed. It snowed so much. We have like so many driveways filled up, so it was very crazy, yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you guys some cool things, and yeah, let's go. Also guys, there is going to be a clip of a pond. So there is a pond in our backyard, and so basically since when it was snowing, the temperature dropped. And when I'm saying it dropped, I'm saying it dropped, like it decreased like a lot. And so since the temperature dropped, it was very cold, and the water that was in the pond froze. And so the ducks, you're going to see some ducks on the pond, and they're going to be just standing on the water. And so yeah, that's gonna be pretty cool. So just wanted to say that to you guys so you guys know what I'm talking about, or what I'm showing you guys. So yeah.